Best air purifier with washable filters. Washable filters of an air purifier. Washable filters are filters that can be cleaned and reused. They are often made of cloth or other porous materials that can trap particulates from the air. Types of filters used in air purifiers. The most common type is the replaceable high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filter. These capture 99.97% of airborne particles that are 0.3 microns. Best air purifier with washable filters. The best air purifier with washable filters is the Winix 5500-2. It also comes with a 5-year warranty, so you can be sure it will last. Best budget air purifier with washable filter. The best budget air purifier with a washable filter is the Germ Guardian AC4825. It has a CADR of 100 for smoke, dust, and pollen. Best large room air purifier with washable filter. If you're looking for a large room air purifier with a washable filter, we recommend the Blue Air 403 Plus. The best air purifiers with washable filters are those that have high CADR ratings, free filters, and activated carbon filters.